Hello students, the next question is from our textbook. It is question number 14. So this question is from this last exercise. When I say textbook question, it is from the last exercise present at the end of the chapter. Okay, so it is question number 14. An object 5 centimeter in length. So the length of the object or size of the object is 5 centimeter. So h is the height of the object is h. It is 5 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter in front of a convex mirror. So now very important, it's a convex mirror. Okay, so I've just drawn a rough figure of convex mirror. So the object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. So this object distance is 20 centimeter. So it is minus. Object distance is always negative, remember. Okay, for convex mirror, concave mirror, lenses, any lenses, u is always negative. So u is minus 20 centimeter. Okay, and the radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. Now this is very important. So r is plus 30. Why? Because the focus is present on the focus of a convex mirror. It's present on the right hand side, on this positive side. If you consider this as the origin, okay, this is the pole of the mirror. So from pole of the mirror, this is positive. All these are positive distances. So the focus is on this side, radius of curvature is on this side, positive side. Hence r is equal to plus 30. If the same question was asked for concave mirror, we would have taken r is equal to minus 30. Okay, all these concepts are very important, which I have explained in all these 4 videos. Okay, or 4 questions. So r would have been minus 30 for concave mirror. It is plus 30 because radius of curvature, center of curvature is on this side. Radius of curvature is on this side, positive side. This is negative side. Okay. Then what we are asked to find the position of the image, its nature and size. Position of the image means v is equal to what? Okay, where the image is placed, or where the image is formed, and height of the image. So h dash we need to find. So here usually what we do, we use mirror formula, okay, to find v. Okay, but here u is given to us. So this u is given, v we have to find, f is not given. So how can we use mirror formula? So what we do is, first we use r is equal to 2f, this formula, very important formula. So radius of curvature is twice the focal length. So r is equal to 2f, r is plus 30 is equal to 2f, 2 comes here, so 30 upon 2 is equal to f, so f is equal to 15 centimeter. So now we know what is f, we know what is u, and we need to find what is v. So we write the mirror formula, we substitute the value, u is equal to minus 20, f is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, f is plus 15. Why? Focal length is on the right hand side, so this is positive side. Okay, so now this is basics of maths now. So this plus into minus, so minus comes here, so 1 upon v minus 1 upon 20 is 1 upon 15. We need to find the value of v, so we take it on the right hand side, so minus 1 upon 20 becomes plus 1 upon 20. Okay, now we take LCM. Okay, so 15 into 4 is 60, 20 into 3 is 60. So we need to make the denominator common. All these are basics of maths. So it is 4 plus 3 upon 4 plus 4 upon 60 plus 3 upon 60, 7 upon 60. So v is, take reciprocal, it is 60 upon 7. If you divide it, you get 8.57 centimeter. So it is plus, this is positive. So position of image is what? 8.5 centimeter from the pole of the mirror and behind the mirror. So since v is positive, so image will be formed on the right hand side. So from pole of the mirror, this is pole of the mirror, and it is positive, v is positive distance, so it is formed behind the mirror. So this is the statement that you need to write. Okay, so v is found. Now we have to find h dash. So same formula we will use, h dash upon h is equal to minus v upon u, that we have minus v upon u that we have used earlier. Substitute the value, h dash upon h is 5 is equal to minus v is 8.57, this we have just found, and u is minus 20. Okay, this minus and minus goes, so it is 8.57 upon 20. If you divide it, you get 0.4285. Okay, usually what we do is we take 2 places after decimal. Okay, and if the third place is more than 5, so this is 8, so we increase this by 1 unit. Okay, so this third digit is, don't focus on this, focus on the third digit. It is more than 5, so increase this by 1, so this becomes 0.43. so h dash upon 5 is equal to 0.43. H dash is 0.43 into 5, so it is equal to 2.15 centimeters. So size of the image is 2.15 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to find the nature of the image. So positive sign in h dash. So h dash is plus 2.15. Okay. So positive sign in h dash indicates the image is virtual and erect. Why it is virtual and erect? Because h dash is positive. That means the image is formed like this, above the principal axis. It is not formed below the principal axis. Since it is formed above, it is erect, and erect is erect and virtual. So it's a virtual and erect image.